It is very important if you get injured at work to report all injuries, no matter how insignificant you think they are. I can't tell you the many a times that I've gotten a call where an injured employee has told me, I got hurt on a Friday. I thought it was going to get better, so I didn't tell anybody. I needed the weekend. I'd rest up and everything's going to be okay, and I'll be back to work on Monday. Unfortunately, when they woke up on Saturday, it was worse, and they hadn't told anybody. That causes a problem with the employer because the employer was not provided that same day notice. Very important that once you injure yourself, that you notify your supervisor or follow whatever protocol or policy that your employment has in place for workplace injuries. You don't want to be in that same place to where on Monday you come back in and say, oh yeah, I hurt my back on Friday. Employers and insurance companies often say that that's not credible. And then it becomes a circumstance to where you're having to prove something that you know happened. When simply and easily, if it had been reported on that Friday and you'd been sent to the medical provider that's assigned by your employer, you wouldn't have had an issue at all. So I encourage you to definitely notify your employer immediately when an injury happens. Once again, no matter how insignificant, because you don't know what ultimately the future holds. And if it gets worse, it could be problematic.